Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the continuation of the chapter Profit and Loss. Let us start exercise 4b, question number 8. A man sells a saree for 2100 rupees and makes a profit of 16 by 3 percentage. Find the cost price of the saree. Here the selling price of the saree is equal to 2100 rupees. Profit is equal to 16 by 3 percentage, that is equal to 50 upon 3 percentage. First we have to find out the cost price of the saree. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage multiplied by selling price, that is equal to 100 upon 100 plus 50 upon 3 multiplied by 2100 rupees, that is equal to 100 into 3 into 2100 upon 350, that is equal to 1800 rupees. Next question. A shopkeeper incurs a loss of 12% by selling a CD player for 1760 rupees. At what price did the shopkeeper buy the CD player? Given the selling price is equal to 1760 rupees, loss is equal to 12%. We have to find out the cost price. Therefore, cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage multiplied by selling price, that is equal to 100 upon 100 minus 12 multiplied by 1760 rupees, that is equal to 100 upon 88 multiplied by 1760 rupees, that is equal to 2000 rupees. Next question. A dealer suffers a loss of 10% by selling an article for 2520 rupees. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 4%? In the first case, selling price is equal to 2520 rupees and loss is equal to 10%. First we have to find out the cost price. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage multiplied by selling price, that is equal to 100 upon 100 minus 10 multiplied by 2520 rupees, that is equal to 100 upon 90 multiplied by 2520, that is equal to 2800 rupees. In the second case, cost price is equal to 2800 rupees and profit is equal to 4%. You have to find out the selling price. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price, that is equal to 100 plus 4 upon 100 multiplied by 2800 rupees, that is 104 upon 100 multiplied by 2800 rupees, that is equal to 2912 rupees. Next question. If a shopkeeper sells some plastic chairs for 1296 rupees, he will make a profit of 8%, but he sells them at a loss of 5%. What is his selling price? Here, in the first case, selling price is equal to 1296 rupees. Profit is equal to 8%. First we have to find out the cost price. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage multiplied by selling price. That is equal to 100 upon 100 plus 8 multiplied by 1296 rupees. That is equal to 100 upon 108 multiplied by 1296. That is equal to 1200. In the second case, cost price is equal to 1200 rupees. Loss is equal to 5%. You have to find out the selling price. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price. That is equal to 100 minus 5 upon 100 multiplied by 1200 rupees. That is equal to 95 upon 100 multiplied by 1200. That is equal to 1140 rupees. Next question. A man makes a profit of 20% by selling sweets for 960 rupees. What will be his profit or loss percent if he sells them for 840 rupees? In the first case, selling price is equal to 960 rupees, profit equal to 20%. First we have to find out the cost price. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage multiplied by selling price. That is equal to 100 upon 100 plus 20 multiplied by 960 rupees. That is equal to 100 divided by 120 multiplied by 960. That is equal to 800 rupees. In the second case, cost price is equal to 800 rupees and the selling price is equal to 840 rupees. Here, the selling price is greater than the cost price, then there is a profit. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 840 rupees minus 800 rupees. That is equal to 40 rupees. Profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100. That is equal to 40 upon 800 multiplied by 100. That is equal to 5%. So I hope today's exercise was clear to you all. Practice the rest of the questions. Thank you.